We are crab hunting in our pajamas.
They're out again tonight. Just gotta find them.
We'll find them.
Yeah. Well, this one.
Landon is the lead crab hunter on this expedition. Where are we going? Okay. This way.
This way?
Yep.
You mean this way?
Yeah. Remember there was a big one here last night.
They're not there.
Not here tonight, huh?
Huh?
Not here tonight, huh?
Right there.
Oh.
Just went back in that hole.
Whoa. Wait, there's a little one. There's a little one. Nope, that's a lizard. That's a lizard.
Oh,
Look.
yeah, a little gecko. It's a gecko.
Let Papa get it. Whoa.
Oh, you almost got it. Gently. You
Ooh.
got it. Gently, gently. Good job. Want me to try to get it?
Let Papa try and get it. Watch out. Oh, it's going in the thing.
It's in there.
Yep, it's in there.
Oh, well.
Good try, though.
Right there.
Any mean?
No,
Put your
those
light
are
on
the
his
nice
face.
ones.
Put your light on his face.
Oh, he went in there.
Oh.
Whoa, there he goes.
All right, hold on.
Let Papa see if he can get him.
There's ants on there.
Where'd he go? Oh, I see him. Oh,
He's gonna go underneath there.
there he goes. Right here.
Oh, I see.
He is moving quick. Keep your flashlight on the ground.
Be on the lookout. Right here.
Right here's one.
Ooh,
Whoa.
he is not happy. Do not.
He is mad.
Is he nice?
Nope.
No, he's not nice. He is.
Pitch him.
Watch that.
He is in fighting mode.
Where are we going now?
Right in through here.
Yeah, this is Crab Alley through here.
Valley.
So let's see what we can find.
Big crabs are
Whoa, there goes one. There goes one. Whoa, let Papa. Big one right here. He's ready to fight too.
Oh man, they are not happy tonight, are they?
No. Watch your toes.
Right over here.
There's a hermit crab.
Where?
And a bunch of regular crabs too. Oh man, I hear them crunching. See?
Where?
Oh, here's the big one.
There's a bunch of crabs back here
Oh,
too.
there's the big one too.
Yeah.
There's the big one. And
Where's the
regular
big
crab.
one?
I don't know which one's bigger, this one or this one.
Where's the crab? Is he nice?
Whoa, they're mean tonight.
Yeah.
Ah.
There's a bunch of crabs over there too.
Watch.
Watch your feet. That's not the biggest one though.
How many?
Hi, Mr. Crab. Shine your flashlight on him. Hello. Look at them. They're like twin crabs. Bunch of hermit crabs.
Oh, no, not hermit crabs. They're all of these ones. They're all over the place.
I touch it.
You're gonna get pinched.
I just heard another one go
that one is super pretty.
Dad, why does he want to pinch me?
Get your flashlight on.
Why does he want to pinch me? Why does he want to pinch me? That one's pretty. This one's handsome. Are they both mean? Let me have the flashlight. Mom, pick it up.
Did you see it, Lena? Look how big it is.
Holy smokes.
Oh.
There you go. Let me pick it up. Is this one nice?
No, none of them are nice. Look, Landon, he's got it.
Keep them on my pants. What is it? Come on my pants. Is he mean?
He's got his picture on me.
Look, he's like, I'm gonna pinch him. Put me down, mean man.
Go. Go. There you go. No?
He doesn't want to go.
Why? Does he want to stay on him and pinch him?
No. I want him to get off.
Look at his pretty shell.
Oh.
You're off here, a frog.
Yeah. Okay, get off me.
Go back home, crab. Aw, how nice.
Let go of me. There we go.
Good boy. He's a good boy, right?
I know.
Right. He's getting off my foot. Why is he getting off my foot? Why would he get on me?
I know, but watch your feet, don't.
Okay, I'm gonna get on you, get you. Bye bye. You touch me, I'll pinch you. He thinks if I pinch you, you cry. Whoa! Oh. Hey, buddy.
Look. Landon, look.
You're holding the quack. What? Duh. Here, hold it.
Whoa, there he goes.
Get him, get him. Hurry, get him.
Oh, he jumped. That one's huge.
Oh my.
Oh, he's got some pinchers
it's
out.
missing a pincher.
Oh,
Oh, get your fingers out of there. Yeah, he's missing. He got in the fight. He got in the fight. That one there. It's probably mama. That one there is. But when you get pinched,
oh, he's missing a pincher.
yeah, he's seen some stuff.
But he only has one.
Oh, jeez. Oh, Landon. Okay, that's good.